Hey, my name's Lee. I'm the owner of the SAUCESHOP. Today we're going to be working on the Linney F1 gear set. Our shop focuses on the R35 Nissan GT-R, Audi R8, and Lamborghini Huracan platform. Today we are building the Nissan GT-R GR6 transmission with a new Linney Formula Edition GT-R gear set. This gear set was designed, engineered, and manufactured in England using the state-of-the-art Viper 500 6-axis gear grinder. This gear set has a newly designed 2nd to 6th gear that are wider and thicker for increased strength and an improved helical angle for quiet operation. It is rated for over 1600 wheel horsepower. We will be testing this gear set in the shop NISMO GT-R that makes roughly 1800 wheel horsepower. Let's see how she does.